In this video, we're going to look at some old proverbs as gaeilge, na Seanfhocal, Proverbs. Let's start with this one. Ní léinn tintán mar de hintán féin. There's no place like home. Ní léinn tintán mar de hintán féin. Literally it means there's no fireplace like your own fireplace. The Irish word for fire is tinne, and if something was on fire, it would be le hinne. Next, tá clúsa fada ar bhocha beaga. Little pigs have long ears. Tá clúsa fada ar bhocha beaga. Meaning that adults should be careful in conversation around children, because kids are very good listeners. Tá clúsa fada ar bhocha beaga. The Irish word for long is fada. So if you wanted to say, I haven't been home in a long time, ní raibh mé sa bhaile le fada. Ní raibh mé sa bhaile le fada. I haven't been home in a long time. Or if you wanted to say to somebody, don't be long, ná bí I bhfad. Don't be long, ná bí I bhfad. Next then, tús ma la na hibre. A good start is half the battle. Tús ma la na hibre literally translates to a good start halves the work. Tús ma la na hibre. The Irish word for half is la, so a half hour would be a lahor, a half hour. And mar hampla, for example, if it was a football match, cluiche pell, football match, half time would be la aun, half time la aun. Okay, that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and slán go fóill.